Let's learn about parallel lines and transversal. Let's begin by understanding the meaning of transversal. A straight line which cuts two or more straight lines at distinct points is called a transversal. In this figure, N is the transversal because it is cutting two lines, line L and line M, at two distinct points X and Y. So line N is the transversal here. Let's look at a real-life example. Here arrows A1 and A2 are parallel and arrow A3 is the transversal because it is intersecting the two arrows at point X and point Y. In this example, none of the lines is a transversal because according to the definition of transversal, a transversal must intersect two or more lines. And here, only one line is being intersected. In this example, there is no transversal as none of the lines is being intersected here. In this example also, there is no transversal because for a transversal, we should have two distinct points of intersection. And here we can see there is only one point of intersection. Now let's see how to identify transversals. Here we have a ladder. In a ladder, vertical members are called stiles and they connect the horizontal members called the steps to form a ladder. If we consider the vertical members, that means the stiles, as the transversals, which are represented by blue lines, then we must consider the steps as the set of lines. Steps here are shown by red lines. The other way round, if we consider the steps as the transversals, then we should consider the stiles as the set of lines. Now let's see what are exterior and interior angles. We have marked angles from 1 to 8 here. Let's mark the interior space bounded by the two lines L and M here. So the interior space bounded by lines L and M will be this space. Angles lying in this space, that means angle 4, angle 3, angle 6 and angle 5 are called as interior angles. So interior angles are angle 4, angle 3, angle 6 and angle 5. Exterior space here will be the space beyond the boundary of lines L and M. So that will be the space in the outer region. And angles lying in the outer region are called as exterior angles, and these angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. So exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Let's summarize what we learnt in this video. We learned the definition of transversal and its examples. We learned how to identify a transversal. We also learned about interior and exterior angles formed by a transversal and a pair of lines.